In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Wix SEO in 2025 through a clear and detailed step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to open the Wix SEO setup checklist. Start by logging into your Wix dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on Marketing and SEO. Then select SEO Setup Checklist. This tool provides a personalized SEO plan tailored to your business type and objectives. It's designed to be beginner-friendly and helps you effortlessly set up meta titles, descriptions, and site indexing. Simply click Start Now and follow the prompts. Next, you'll need to connect your custom domain. Navigate to Settings, then Domains, and click Connect a Domain. Transitioning to a custom domain enhances your brand's professionalism and builds trust with Google, which is crucial for SEO. It's advisable to avoid using the free Wix subdomain if you want to achieve stronger SEO performance. Now, let's focus on your page titles and descriptions. For each page, go to Pages and Menu, select the page you want to edit, and find SEO Basics. Here, you'll want to fill in the page title, also known as the meta title, which should be between 50 to 60 characters. An example might be Best Vegan Recipes, Green Eats Blog. For the page description or meta description, aim for around 150 to 160 characters, making sure to include your main keyword naturally. This keeps the text authentic and avoids keyword stuffing. Step into optimizing your URLs by ensuring they're clean and concise. Within the SEO Basics tab for each page, keep your URL slugs short and keyword rich, like yourwebsite.com/vegan desserts, rather than something generic like yourwebsite.com/page 123. Moving on to the importance of structured headings, it's crucial to use H1, H2, and H3 tags correctly. After selecting your text elements on each page, assign headings properly. Each page should have only one H1 heading, used for the main page title, while H2 is for subsections and H3 supports additional points. Visual content needs attention too, so optimize your images by adding descriptive alt text using relevant keywords. To further enhance your site's performance, compress your images before uploading them, as this will significantly speed up your loading time, benefiting your SEO. Another key step is connecting to Google Search Console from your Wix dashboard within Marketing and SEO and SEO tools. This connection allows you to track site performance, keyword rankings, and indexing directly with Google, offering valuable insights. Keywords play a pivotal role in SEO. Research using tools like Google, Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest. Then integrally place these target keywords within your page titles, headings, and the first 100 words of content, including image, alt text, and meta descriptions, all while ensuring natural readability. Don't overlook mobile